We're taking a long walk around town, and let's just capture the ambulance as he goes by. And there he goes. Trees in the way! But there you have it. Hey, I'm Fish. I did this walk before. I'm going to change it up just a little bit. Carvel Cinnabon, Annie Auntie's pretzels. Yes, indeed. It's winter all over again, and we have Dunkin' Donuts. I have a bread machine. I like to make dough and get some recipes like cinnamon and make Cinnabons. I can't see spending well over $5 for a Cinnabon. And how big will it be? Bionic bagels, they're out. How long does it take to make the bagels in the morning? How early do they open? And when are the bagels really hot? Do they stand in a cardboard box in the back so they cool off and then they add them in? Some stores do that. Retail for lease. Man, this place is happening a lot. Always busy. Very tight parking spots. I'm surprised there are 2 carts left in the lot, and they're still there. Oh man, used to be a watch store, jewelry store, a candy store, a pizza store, and now, Funland, they got their gate closed. It used to be open, and now they closed it. Call them emulators, and the joystick, plug it into the TV set, and 500 over 500 games. And one of the games I love that a client gave me, Outrun, doesn't work. Oh man, go try to set it up, try to figure it out why it don't work. It's got all the games like Mario Brothers, Tetris, Joust, all the Mortal Kombat. It's got everything that you can imagine. Man, I love playing video games. Hey, I'm Fish. If I forgot to introduce myself at the beginning, I review, do it yourself, and vlog, and share to the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It means the world. I do cars. I do repairs. I do it all. A jack of all trades. Don't forget to show a like, share a love, hit the bell if you like, get notified. So let's move along and get on talking. Later on in the video, we'll pass some information along that may be interesting to you, so stick around. You may never know. The extra Muse, woohoo! I'm recording. I always give a hoot in a tunnel because the acoustics may be to your liking. So as I walked along on the opposite side of the street so I could hold the camera correctly, now I'm on the right side of the street. You get it? I have a number of scooters. One of the best scooters that I use all time, and I have it with me, not on me, but with me, the fifth wheel and the V40. It's got a light in the front, and we can only go up to 15 miles per hour, but the scooter maximum speed is 19.0, and we have to adjust it with firmware if the company will push it out. Load it up, and this way we all could do the limit. I'm getting a crock pot. No, it's called the hot plate. And the hot plate's single, electric. Take it camping, bring it to picnics, barbecues, as long as you have a inverter with you. 12 volt to 110 inverter, battery powered. And you could just about make any food that this store, this restaurant, this fast food place has to offer. Rollin' Roaster, that's been around since the 70s. Remember this place opening up? Just about. Oh man, did you see that? I just got flashed. It took my picture again. But the speed camera's down the road. And yeah, I was going to say it took me 20 minutes to get here. And that's not a bad walk. That means I got 5 minutes to share a highlight story. My bike episode number 3, my bike ride episode number 3, I rode at nighttime. And I had 2 cameras with me, the extra Muse and the extra Atto. I had a problem. It was like low light, like this shot here, and didn't come out great. And the bike ride episode 2 was daytime riding, and I changed from 1/100th to 1/200th over 8,000. That was the only thing I changed in my camera. And that was to make it a little better in video quality. And now my picture was too dark because I was on the correct settings. So I factory reset my camera. But what I'm going to go do, they're there somewhere, I just don't see them. I'm going to go down to the pier, to the harbor, to the bay, and I'm going to set up, do my highlight of the talk. Did you know using the extra Muse and low light, the highest frame rates you can do, 4K 30 frames per second? How sweet is that? I need to get a portable tripod if I want to do side-by-side comparisons. I don't have much to put my camera on, but we'll find something and get it up there. All right, so there you see what it looks like in the picture. A little hard to see. The Lenzi PK10 is magnetic, so I can stick it on something and have it stay there. Well, the sun is coming up, and I will want to get that shot. Can't put this anywhere because it'll just fall. Imagine they put magnets on the bottom of the mini tripod as well. So this way, when you come down to something that's metal and you do that, it sticks. It's not metal. Well, you could take a rubber band and you can wrap it around, and that will hold it on there, but it's not strong enough for support. If the wind blows, it'll fall off. The extra Muse, let me tell you, 20 minutes of walking and talking, that's not bad with battery life. I have the extra Atto. I'm right underneath the light today, so I should be well lit, which I am. So maybe something happened in my settings that just didn't work well. Well, I can't spend all day here chit-chatting because that dawn becomes a sunrise, and I could get that sunrise shot, and I do got to get on goal. So we're gonna not go through the town, but we're gonna go through residential, and it'd be a little dark. Should I switch on over to the Atto and just do my walk and put the Muse away? I think so. But the wind is kicking a little, and that's what I think I'm going to do. The first half was the Muse. Great job. Low light. The second half, I'll get with the Atto. Now we'll put the Pocket 3 Muse style camera in the pocket. It's not a strong magnet. It's strong enough to do its job. And don't be afraid if this thing tilts sideways like that. Well, let me tell you what I got and pick you on up off of the pole, because that's where I had my camera on here. But the Muse was on the flat spot right here, which was metal. I will say this. I don't want to miss out on that spring seal deal, so I got myself a 112 field of view, Tellison, I believe it is, wide angle 072X, whatever they're called. What happened to the 45X? How come it became a 72X, a L72? They got all these names. I just wanted something that worked out just fine. I'm on the opposite side, Fish. You should be on the left side so you can look at the residential houses. Applebee's. Chicken and ribs, riblets, the riblets. I used to come here and make my order right there. Pull to the side, they come out, deliver to you, walk you through. Beautiful light domes. I put up a small one on the wall in the ceiling. Problem was, you got to pay attention to the bulbs. The bulbs that weren't included, they were narrow bulbs that fit into a small tight area of a E26 socket. And that's something that we have to pay attention to when purchasing. The tree got a license plate. I gotta be careful when I walk here. Somebody made a family, made a house. I can't do my Yale test. Do I respect the homeless? They broke into the lock. Unbelievable. Let's get on going. I was in Anaheim and I went down to Angel Stadium. It was right across the street. I was in a hotel and I walked the grounds, and I believe I got video of it. Man, you should see the shelters that were built right in the stadium, all along the highway, freeway, and right below. Nothing they can do. And that was back 10 years ago. Oh man, I haven't been to Anaheim since I was a baby. Oh man, I gotta go back. I forgot to take a picture of the sunrise. I'm about to wrap this up. I got some changes. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, and I'll get it done. I'm getting this truck. Oh man, it's a great truck indeed. Look at that bad boy, man. That's what I want. I want one of those. And that's why you can never put a camera down.